Hey there. Today, we're diving into the world of graphic design and learning a handy skill: how to remove the background from any photo using Canva. Let's jump right in. To begin, open the Canva app on your mobile phone. Once you are in. Now, bear in mind that if you want to remove the background from your design, you'll need the Canva Pro version. But don't worry, they offer a free trial for 14 days. So, just start your free trial and activate Canva Pro. If you decide it's not for you, cancel your subscription after the trial period. Once you're in Canva Pro, you'll want to create a design. I'll choose a regular 16:9 aspect ratio for my project because I'll be using this for my thumbnails. Once you are in. Now, import the photo from which you want to remove the background. I've downloaded a photo from google.com. But you can use any photo. Place the photo over your design. And to remove the background, select the photo. Now, click on the Effects tab. Look for a little ball icon, that's your BG remover. Click on it and wait a couple of seconds. After some time, the background is gone, leaving only your subject. As you can see, it's super easy to achieve professional looking results without the need for complicated software or technical expertise. Now you can place your subject against any background or use it in various projects. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in.